Yo, what's good everybody? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a brand new video. Now, the clips you guys just saw were from 86 Day. Those clips were mostly from the pre-meet and the cruise that we went ahead and put together. We go ahead and put a pre-meet and cruise together every single year, and the turnout is always great. This year as well, we had so many cars pulling with us to the meet, and I had a really great time. I'm hoping all of you guys that showed up to the pre-meet and cruise had a good time as well. Thank you guys so much for showing support and coming out to the pre-meet and the cruise. Now, I wanted to go ahead and make a whole dedicated video towards 86 Day, but it started raining really early on that I wasn't able to go ahead and pull out the camera and record. Because of the rain as well, a lot of people didn't show up and a lot of people left a bit early as well, so I couldn't really get enough content to make a whole dedicated video. That's why I decided to throw 2 to 3 minutes of clips into today's video. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed that content. Now let's go ahead and hop into the video you guys have all been waiting for from the title and thumbnail. Let's go ahead, flash the pop tune on the car and have some fun. Okay, so I haven't plugged my car into the tuning tablet for more than a year, and it's been sitting in my car. And right now what it's going to do is it's going to be checking the tune to see what tune I already have on the car. Now on the car right now, I have the Stage 2 Plus tune, but let's say if the car wasn't tuned, you'd be clicking the read button right over here. But what we're gonna be doing is clicking right, and I have a bunch of different presets for the FRS. The one we're gonna be doing today is Stage 2 Plus -7. Okay, and then we're just gonna follow the instructions that pop up on the tablet. And just like that, the tune is writing onto the car, and as it says over here, do not open and close doors. While the tune is writing on the car, you really don't want to be touching anything. You just gotta sit here for the next couple of minutes until the tune is done writing. Also, on the bottom corner right over here, I believe it tells you your battery voltage, so just keep an eye out on that as well. You don't want your car dying while it's writing the tune. Pop Tune is probably going to stay on the car for a while. I forgot how much fun it is to go ahead and run this tune. I haven't ran this tune on my car for over a year, and I'll probably keep it on for about a week or two. Now, I don't run this tune for an extended period of time. I know people that daily this tune. I don't go ahead and do that. I run it for like a week or maybe 2 weeks, and then I go back to the Stage 2 Plus tune. I just want to keep everything in the engine bay reliable, and I don't want to run into any issues. That's kind of why I go ahead and do that. Also, the tune that I was running, the intervals that I ran on the actual tune itself was -7. But when it comes to this tune, depending on your setup, you're probably spitting flames anyways. So if I want to go ahead and spit flames, all I have to do is get the exhaust to pretty much warm up. If you guys are strictly just going for flames, you should run this tune. It's a lot more aggressive, but again, just be very careful with it. But with that being said, I'm hoping all of you guys enjoyed the 86-day content. Also hoping all you guys enjoyed the Pop Tune. If you guys have any questions, definitely leave them in the comment section below. But with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys all once again who subbed to the Premium and Cruise, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.
Stop till I hear him say, oh, oh.